there's an animal mystery that needs your attention.
Okay.
I love animal mysteries. All right, this is going to be short and sweet, man.
All right, let's see it. Let's hear it.
Are
Let's
you
do it.
familiar with the Rio Grande Valley in Texas?
Yeah, Rio Grande River. I know the region. Makes sense.
Okay.
Adds up.
So this animal mystery is set in the Rio Grande Valley,
Okay.
where park rangers with the Texas Parks and Wildlife are saying that they are all scratching their heads at a very odd creature that was captured on a game camera at Benson Rio Grande Valley State Park.
Well, keep in mind, before I even see this, assuming there's a picture or a video.
There is. Oh, there is.
There's everything in Texas because every rich lunatic in the entire country lives in Texas with his collection of exotic animals.
Okay. Well, I know you're thinking, is it a tiger? You know, there's a lot of tigers in Texas.
I was definitely already thinking it was a tiger.
let me read you a quote from the Parks and Wildlife.
Okay.
Is it a new species, an escapee from a nearby zoo, or just a park ranger in disguise?
It's not that, I'm sure.
They put on their social media. Regardless, it's thrilling to see whatever this incredible animal is in its natural habitat, which is weird because if it's an escapee, then it's not in its natural habitat. All right. So before we show the pic, what are you thinking?
Well, like I said, it's Texas, so I have no idea. I mean,
all right, there's a gun to your fucking head.
Huh?
There's a gun to your head.
It's Texas. It's a big, large, cryptic thing, and it's a sable antelope because they have so many game farms there, and this would be a weird thing to see. Kyle, pull up a picture of a sable antelope. Let's see if I get lucky here.
Peter, what are you thinking? That would certainly be strange to see.
I think it's that.
I'm going with some kind of a small hound type animal, like a fox or something, coyote.
Like a mangy, like a chupacabra.
Well, not a hound. Yeah, a hound dog. It's definitely a hound dog. I'm going with hound dog.
The basset hound. All right, here we go. Kyle, let's reveal the photo to the patrons.
Let's get some weigh-in from people.
It's a pig.
No, it's definitely not a pig.
No?
It looks like a wolverine. That's what it looks like.
Really?
Oh, it
That's what
does.
it looks
A fat wolverine? Looks like Pumbaa.
Pregnant wolverine. Because at first I was kind of thinking some sort of bear, but the body shape just doesn't make any sense.
I think I know what it is. It's not a wolverine.
What do you got?
I think it's a jaguarundi.
Okay.
Jaguarundi?
Yeah. You know what that is, Peter?
No, I got to
Wanted
see
to
it.
say it.
Let's see what this is.
We should pull up a side-by-side. So they're native to Texas, which is good, and they're unusual. You know, they're a cat animal.
Okay.
Very
Feline.
endangered too, right?
I think so. I should have.
I'm pretty sure they
Google
are.
it.
Yeah.
I'm sure their population's not great. No, population least concern, it says.
wow.
Yeah.
All right.
But they're beautiful, pretty rare cat, you know, hard to see. I've never seen one in the wild. They range all the way to South America. But yeah, there you go. The legs are so
Interesting.
short, though. Doesn't that
Yeah,
look like that could be
yeah.
it, though?
See, those legs are too short, dude.
Yeah.
I mean,
Especially in the
thing's
back.
built like a hippo.
It is.
Right,
It is
it
built
does look
little
like a
fat
hippo.
Kyle, pull up Wolverine just on the right-hand screen there. Let's see.
That's an interesting one because they have short legs.
Helpful.
Not Hugh Jackman.
Like, tell me it doesn't look like that guy.
Yeah.
With
I
his head
think you
down.
might be.
Doesn't it look like that?
I wonder
Kind of does.
Kyle, pull up a pregnant Wolverine because the belly is so distended on this hippo.
And then, Kyle, pull up buy a Wolverine in Texas and see if that's an option.
I'm not thinking Wolverine, man. Those legs don't match. I think we got a hippo,
Dude,
Yeah.
I think it's a hippo.
A mini furry hippo.
dude. It might be
Wait, how do you know it's furry?
Now you can see it if you go back to the pic.
Could that be a Madagascar dwarf hippo?
That must be it. No, my money's on Jaguarundi. Weird picture, but it did look
Okay.
like a Wolverine at first to me, for sure. Yeah, look. Wait till it loads fully. See, you can see there's texture. There's hair there.
Dude,
The face is
That's
definitely ruling out hippo. That's not a hippo's face.
No.
That's true.
This is a good animal mystery, though.
It
It's
really
certainly
is.
hard to. I'm wondering if it's a video and they just picked this clip. Probably not. It's probably
So you're saying there's like motion blur on it or something?
Could be.
maybe. I
that would
doubt
really
it.
fuck it up.
I doubt it. I'm guessing they just had their camera on camera and not on video.
Right.
I mean, imagine if we had been filming the Madagascar dwarf hippo episode and we caught something like that on trail cam, how fun it would be for about 10 minutes until you said, no, it's not a hippo.
Yeah, I would have definitely baited everybody into thinking they'd got something tremendous too.